Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Active Trader on Thinkorswim. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is to open up your Thinkorswim application, and now once it's open, sign into your account. Now on here you're probably going to be taken to monitor first, but from here we need to go ahead and click onto trade. Now inside the trade, now under trade we've got some different options. We've got forex trader futures, but go ahead and click on the active trader tab here like so. Now, once you're inside of here, you can select what you want to trade. So above the top left-hand chart here, we can go ahead and change this symbol to whatever you want to use. So say, for example, I want to do, where is it? So rough rice, I can go ahead and select that. Now from here, you can go ahead and add your indicators just as you would on a regular chart. So yeah, you can add indicators and all that fun stuff. And now when you're ready to buy or sell, come to the right, we can go ahead and buy or sell that symbol. So say, for example, I want to buy some MKT. Now a little box is going to appear like so. So I'm just using a simulation for this. This is not a real trade, but this is exactly the same if you want to go ahead and use this as a real trade. Now, if you want to go ahead and customize your order here, you can. So if you click onto edit, another little box is going to appear like so. Now this is where we can go ahead and edit our order. So if I want to buy more, I can just increase that quantity like so. Then from here, we can go ahead and click on confirm and send like so. So as you can see, I bought 10 with an average price of 9.8. Now if I come over to monitor, you can see that has been added in here.